Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Lecture 3 of Mechanical Engineering Materials series. In last lecture, we have studied about crystal structure, unit cell and space lattice. Also, we have studied 4 cubic structure, that is simple cubic structure, body centered cubic structure, face centered cubic structure and hexagonal cubic structure. In this lecture, we will study about microstructures and types of microscopes. Microstructure. Microstructure generally refers to structure as observed under the optical microscopes. So, structure or image we observed under the microscope is known as microstructure. In simple words, microstructure is what we see under the microscope on nanoscale, that is, on small particles like atoms. Microstructure determines physical, chemical, and mechanical properties of metals as well as alloys. Alloys are the combination of two metals. Microstructure gives various information about the microconstituents of the metal and alloy. Microconstituents present in the metal or the alloy. Now, the microscope. As we have seen the definition of microstructure, referring that microscope is an instrument that makes an enlarged image of the small object, thus revealing details too small to be seen by the unaided eye. That means the microscope is divided into two words. Micro means small and scope means to see. So in microscope, we observe the big object into the small object. Microscopes are instruments that are used in laboratories. The work of the microscope is, as usual, to visualize very minute particles or objects such as cells or microorganisms, giving a contracting image that is magnified into the microscope. Microscopes are generally made up of lenses. With the help of these lenses, we can observe these small particles, each with one of its own magnification power. Depending upon these type of lenses, it will magnify the specimen or the object according to its focal strength. So in our syllabus, the whole part of microscope, there are two types we have to study. One is optical microscope and second is electron microscope. First type of microscope is optical microscope. Optical microscope are most commonly used in metallurgical laboratory for performing inspection of the materials or the specimens. This is the figure of optical microscope. It consists of two eyepieces in which primary image of the specimen or the workpiece can be enlarged. A glass refractor, a light source, condenser lenses, objective lens, and a specimen. So how does it work? First, it has a light source. This is the light source, that is electric bulb. The light rays emitted from the bulb travels horizontally and passes through the series of condenser lens, deflecting through 45 degree down by the half mirror, that is glass reflector, and falls on the specimen as shown in the figure. Now, the reflected beam of the light rays from the specimen surface passes through objective lens and the further by glass reflector it passes through the eyepiece. An observation is made through eyepiece. So this was the working of optical microscope. First, the light source is traveled to the condenser lens, then to the glass reflector, and then to the specimen. Then this is reflected to the objective lens, then to the eyepiece, and we will observe the readings. This is the theory of the optical microscope that I have explained in the previous slide. It works on the main principle of optical microscope is to pass light through the specimen and examine it under magnification. By passing light through the electric bulb, we examine the specimen under the magnification. Main components are objective lens, eyepiece, and condenser. And this is the working of the optical microscope. So moving further, our second microscope is electron microscope. An electron microscope is a microscope that uses a beam. Optical microscope uses a light source. Electron microscope uses a beam of accelerated electron as source of illumination. For source of illumination in optical microscope, we uses the light energy, and in electron microscope, we uses the beam of accelerated electron. As I have said, the optical microscope uses light and electron microscope uses electrons. This is the major difference of both. Let's see working of electron microscope. At the top, there is a basic part of microscope, that is source of electron as an electron gun. A condenser lens coil is used to condense the electron beam, and scanning coil and objective lenses coil is arranged between the condensing coil and the specimen. Secondary electron detector is used to collect the secondary electron from the specimen. Display is used to show the readings and the specimen. So let's see the working of electron microscope. Stream of electron is formed in a high vacuum. Stream of electron is formed in a high vacuum by electron gun. These primary electrons are accelerated towards the specimen by anode. The accelerated primary electrons are made incident on the specimen through condenser coil and scanning coil. These high speed primary electron, when falls on the specimen, produce low energy secondary electron. Low energy secondary electron. So, the secondary electron detector detects the secondary electron and converts it into the electric signal by photomultiplier. In the detector, these secondary electron converts into electric signal by photomultiplier. This electric signal is then amplified and displayed on the display screen. This was the working of electron microscope. This is the theory of the electron microscope. In optical microscope, light beam is used as the source of illumination, And in electron microscope, beam of electrons to form enlarged image of microscope. In optical, light beam, in electron microscope, beam of electron. At the top, there are basic parts of microscope, that is electron gun, condensing coil, scanning coil, and objective lens. This is the working of electron microscope. First, stream of electron is formed in the electron gun, which is the first part of the electron microscope. Primary electrons are accelerated towards the specimen by the anode. Accelerated primary coil are made incident to the specimen through condenser coil as well as scanning coil. Now, these high speed primary electron then falls on specimen producing low energy secondary electron through the objective lenses. The low energy secondary electron is produced through the objective lenses. Now, these secondary electron is detected by the detector into and convert into electric signal by the photomultiplier, and these converted electric signal is displayed on the displayed screen. That is, we can see or measure the readings of the specimen with the help of electron microscope. So that's all for today's lecture. We have seen two major microscope, that is optical microscope and electron microscope. Also, we have seen the introduction of microstructure and microscopes. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.